Good morning, my name is Andrea Lucia Hernandez Fernandez, and today I'm gonna be presenting my project for Technical English 3, which consists of process diagrams. First, I wanna give you a quick summary of what process diagrams are. They are graphic representations that give us a clear perspective of the processes, including materials, time, distance, and others. All types of diagrams are composed by three elemental parts. First, the header, which contains general information like the company, the body, that is composed according to the process specifications, and the summary, which includes mostly the time to calculate the efficiency of the process. The basic types of diagrams are the ones you can see in the screen, which are operations diagram, process flow diagram, and process travel diagram. About the project. The objective of this project is to make the process flow and process travel diagrams using the Draw.io software. For an Italian sauce manufacturing process, the process is going to be described in the next slide. Here is described the process, very detailed description of the process that includes the materials that I use and the time. In this very specific example, it doesn't include the distance, but it is elemental factor that must be included in every process description because it helps to determine the process efficiency, if the process is efficient regarding to the space utilization. First, I forgot to tell you, I'm not gonna read it, the description, because of the time, but it is very detailed here. First, there is the process flow diagram. As you can see, there are 4 flows, the main flow, and 3 other secondaries that in the end get attached to the main one. It is in English, of course. As you can see, it begins in the raw materials storage, and at the end are connectors that lead us to the other page. There are operations. This diagram, by the way, includes storage, operation, inspection, combined, delays, and transportation. And in this very specific example, it doesn't include transportation. Here is the window that I used of the software that I used to create this diagram. As you can see, you can add shapes, text, numbers, and even colors. It is very easy to create a diagram in this software. I really recommend it. And as the same method to the process travel diagram, here it is the diagram with all the areas of the plant, of the manufacturing plant. This is the plain view of the distribution of the plant. As you can see, we use the same symbolism as in the flow chart, the flow diagram. You can follow the first flow, the second one, and you can see how they get attached in the different areas of the plant. There are sinks, there are work tables, there is a stove where we cook the Italian sauce, there are blenders, and for last, there is the finished products warehouse or storage, and even the packaging table. There's also the window that I used to create this diagram in Draw.io. And that is all for today. Thank you very much for your attention.